Hi, this is RJ Chetan and you are watching my official YouTube channel which is called Chetan Ki Pathshala. And to all my lovely YouTube viewers, Eid Mubarak, a very happy Eid Mubarak.
It's time for Chetan Ki Pathshala.
So before we go and do out some shopping, I want to tell you guys the history of Charminar. You know what happened? Long ago there was plague in Hyderabad, and then a lot of people died because of plague and all. So the Nizams of Hyderabad, in the memory of all those people who died of plague, have constructed Charminar. So I'm going to do some shopping in Charminar, and I'm also going to eat some food. Tomorrow is Eid, and you can see it's around 12:30, 1 o'clock in the morning, and you can see how many people are here. So let's go out and do some shopping and check out the energetic Charminar just before Eid. Let's go. Well, I would say Charminar is an example of unity and diversity because Charminar is a place just attached to Charminar. There's a temple. There is a Bhagyalakshmi temple, Lakshmi temple, just attached to Charminar. You can see on the left side, the temple is just attached to Charminar. The first thing which comes to my mind when I'm talking about Eid is wearing better clothes. Well, everybody, while celebrating Eid, they first wear a nice kurta pajama, then they go for their prayers, then after coming back, they wear some nice party wear kind of clothes, and they go and meet their family members and friends. So right now, I'm in front of this shop called as Makhdoom Brothers, and I'm going to check out some latest trends of clothes, what's going inside, what's the latest trend. I'm going to do some shopping, so let's go inside. फैज़ भाई ये बताइए कि व्हाट इज द लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड अभी लोगों में क्या लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड चल रहा है
सर earlier it used to be a tradition, now it has turned to a fashion.
राइट
जैसे हैदराबादी बिरयानी मशहूर होती है उसी तरह से जो है शेरवानी और कुर्ता पजामा मशहूर होता है. तो हम अभी जो द लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड इज कि भाई कुर्ता पजामा विथ वेस्ट कोट इज इन हाई फैशन एंड हाई डिमांड. प्लस उसमें जो है ये वाइब्रेंट कलर्स यूज़ हो रहे हैं, जो फ्लोरेसेंट कलर्स है, प्लस इसमें जो है लिनन टाइप के कपड़े यूज़ हो रहे हैं. और इसमें जो है जो नेक स्टाइल है ये सोबर में भी मांग रहे हैं, एंड इसमें वी गला है और मल्टीपल स्टाइलिंग.
So according to Faiz bhai, people are more liking the fashion of our politicians. They are into a lot of serials. Movies, they are not much inspired with the movies, but yes, the serials and the politicians are making a fashion statement. So right now we are at Makhdoom Brothers. I'm going to check what is the latest fashion. और हमारे फैज़ भाई बताने वाले हैं what is in the trend now. So right now I am going inside Lad Bazaar, which is the very famous Bangles Bazaar of Charminar. Do you know how the name Lad Bazaar came? Well, Nizam had a daughter. Youngest daughter was a very favorite of Nizam. She was like Ladli of Nizam. She was getting married and Nizam ordered for a Bangle Bazaar. People from all over the globe came and set up this bazaar over here. And from that day, they call this bazaar as Lad Bazaar on Nizam's youngest daughter. As she was Ladli of Nizam, that's why they call this bazaar as the Lad Bazaar of Hyderabad. So Lad Bazaar is basically famous for the Lakh bangles, which are very famous from Hyderabad. We're going to check out some bangles. You can see how people are shopping for Eid, for bangles and all. We'll go and check out the Lad Bazaar of Hyderabad. Let's go in. And right now I'm in front of the famous Makkah Masjid of Charminar. Over here tomorrow morning, this complete road would be blocked and people would be doing prayers over here. This complete road would be blocked. And you can see a lot of street vendors on the streets of Charminar. Basically, all through the season, all through the year, you will find street vendors or Charminar. the number of street vendors on Charminar are up to 1 lakh. But only during the month of Ramzan, the count of street vendors, it increases up to 5 to 6 lakhs. So only the street vendors are 5 to 6 lakhs. So you can imagine how many people would be there in this surroundings of Charminar. So right now I'm in front of the famous Makkah Masjid. Tomorrow this road would be completely blocked and people would be praying here. Finally, I'm tired of walking here and there, so I've decided to have some halim, and I'm in front of the world famous Pista House Halim. I'm gonna taste some halim and also try to reveal some secrets of Pista House Halim. So I'm gonna go in, so you guys also follow me. So basically I was too very hungry and I thought of eating something, and I came to eat my favorite halim. Just done with eating my favorite Pista House halim, and trust me, I enjoyed the complete shoot of a day before Eid and the Ramzan night. And I'm with the gentleman who is behind Pista House brand, Majid Bhai. He is the proprietor of Pista House. So
जैसे बनारस के लिए बनारसी साड़ी है, और तिरुपति के लिए तिरुपति लड्डू है
जी,
और महाराष्ट्र के लिए अल्फांसो मैंगो है
जी,
तो हैदराबाद के लिए सिर्फ पिस्ता हाउस हलीम है। ये ज्योग्राफिक इंडिकेशन
जी,
जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया अलॉट करती है, बहुत ही कम इंडिया में जो सिटीज है इसके जो अलॉट करी है
जी। एंड आई गेस अपनी हैदराबादी हलीम जो है इज द फर्स्ट नॉन वेजिटेरियन डिश टू गेट ज्योग्राफिकल इंडिकेशन। जो अब हलीम बनाते हैं बस रमजान के सीजन में ही बिकता है, बाकी सीजन में क्यों नहीं बनाते हैं?
क्यों चेतन, इसके अंदर क्या है कि ये काफी बहुत ही मेहनत की चीज है, क्योंकि इसका जो प्रोसेस है 12 घंटे का प्रोसेस है।
अच्छा,
क्योंकि एक लाइन से आना चाहिए, बिल्कुल एक सिस्टमेटिक है, और ये हलीम बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म होती है और ख़ास तौर पे जेंट्स के लिए बहुत अच्छी होती है। तो हम ये नहीं चाहते कि साल भर प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकते हैं इसके अंदर जी, तो इसलिए हम ना करते, एक ही बना करते हैं। और एक मैं आपसे बोलना चाहूँ, जैसे आप पिस्ता हाउस के हलीम के फैन हैं जी, और मैं चेतन का फैन हूँ। अरे क्या बात है। आपके रेडियो के पूरे प्रोग्राम सुनते हैं हम जी।
So on that note, I will sign off with this video. That was our beloved Majid Bhai talking a lot of stuff about Pista House, giving us some examples how he started and how his business took over. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and this is RJ Jeetan signing off. Do not forget to use protection. I'm talking about seat belts and helmets. And once again, Eid Mubarak.
Hey, subscribe.